Hello, welcome back to our tutorial series. Today we're going to explore how to utilize the Ecosystem Paths interactive visualization to download biosamples with specific metadata filter. Traditionally, we can actually go directly to the biosamples page, select columns for table, and select specific ecosystem categories. For example, I can go to ecosystem classification, select these columns, and search directly here for the metadata I'm looking for. However, you need to know the exact ecosystem names to search via this way. However, Gold has a tool that won't make us use exact ecosystem terms. I will first click on the Ecosystem Classification tab. Here, we'll find the option to explore biosample ecosystem paths. This is the key to finding the specific biosamples we're interested in. Once we're on the Explore Biosample Ecosystems Paths page, we'll see a list of ecosystems, engineered, environmental, host-associated, along with a number of associated biosamples. In our case, as a physician studying bloodborne pathogens, we're looking for bacterial types from human blood serum. To filter for blood serum from humans, we'll click on the host-associated ecosystem. This will give us access to a wide range of ecosystem categories to choose from. Since we're interested in human blood, we'll click on the node next to mammals human. This will narrow down our search to the human-specific ecosystem. Within the human-specific ecosystems, we need to select the relevant ecosystem category. In our case, we'll click on the circulatory system, and then blood. Now we're almost there. To access the specific data we want, we'll click on the number next to the word serum. This will take us to the advanced search page. Here on the advanced search page, we have the option to add additional filters if needed. Let's say we only want samples isolated from the United States. We can go to Biosample Fields and click on USA in the Sample Isolation Country and Ocean filter. Now let's submit our search. Great, now we have a list of 164 biosamples that meet our criteria. If we want to see the search results, we can click on the number. Here we have the option to add more columns of data to our table. By clicking on Select Columns for Table, we can choose which additional information we'd like to include. For example, let's select Sample Collection Site and Sample Collection Year. Perfect. Now that we have our desired results, we can proceed to download them. However, before we can do that, we need to log in. Once we've logged in, we can proceed with downloading the query result. The request will be processed within 15 minutes. We can access the data in the My Past Searches tab. And there you have it. Using the Ecosystem's Paths interactive visualization and the advanced search capabilities, we can now easily find and download biosamples with specific metadata filters. Thank you for joining me today and happy exploring.